Who doesn't like face masks? There are so many options when it comes to creating a DIY face mask for glowing skin. The best part? All the ingredients you need you probably already have in your kitchen. Budget-friendly and full of goodness. What's not to love? Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be going over some easy-to-make options for face mask recipes that leave you feeling rejuvenated and your skin looking beautiful. Let's get started. Banana face masks. Bananas are packed with ingredients for great skin. Vitamin A to fade dark spots and blemishes and smooth out a rough skin. Vitamin B to reduce dryness. Vitamin E to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And potassium to moisturize and hydrate. So the fruit makes a perfect all-natural homemade face mask that leaves skin looking and feeling softer. To make, mash a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste, then gently apply it on your face and neck. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. You can also mix 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, a natural acne remedy, and 1 medium banana. Vinegar face masks. Using vinegar as a skin toner dates back to the time of Helen of Troy, and it's just as effective today. After you wash your face, mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of water as a finishing rinse to cleanse and tighten your skin. You can also create a homemade face mask by mixing 1/4 cup of cider vinegar with 1/4 cup of water. Gently apply the solution to your face and let it dry. Yeast face masks. This treatment, meant especially for younger people with oily skin, requires a package of dry yeast. Mix the contents of a 7-gram packet with 3 drops of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of water until it forms a paste. Add more water as needed to get it to the right consistency. Spread the mixture on your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off for a refreshing deep clean. Honey and aloe face masks. If you've ever felt the healing wonders of aloe vera applied on a nasty sunburn, then you know how amazing the plant's nectar can be. So, turn it into a mask for ultimate skin hydration with this honey and aloe mask from Bee Spotted. Just mix equal parts fresh aloe and honey. It's that easy. Leave on your face for 20 to 30 minutes and feel the life coming back to your skin. Papaya face masks. Cut a slice of ripe papaya and remove the seeds and pulp. Save the pulp for a snack later. It's great for digestion. Rub the inside of the papaya peel on your cleansed face, focusing on lines around the mouth and eyes, crow's feet, thinning temples, neck and hands. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with tepid water. This mask can be done twice a week. Oatmeal face masks. If you're looking for a quick pick-me-up that will leave you feeling and looking better, give yourself an oatmeal facial. Combine 1/2 cup of hot, not boiling, water and 1/3 cup of oatmeal. After the water and oatmeal have settled for 2 to 3 minutes, mix in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 small egg white. Apply a thin layer of the mask to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Be sure to place a metal or a plastic strainer in your sink to avoid clogging the drain with granules. Egg facial masks. For a little pampering, head to the refrigerator and grab an egg. If you have dry skin that needs moisturizing, separate the egg and beat the yolk. For oily skin, use just the egg white and add a bit of lemon or honey. For normal skin, use the entire egg. Apply it once beaten, relax, and wait 30 minutes, then rinse. You'll love your new fresh face. Mayonnaise facial mask. Why spend money on expensive creams when you can treat yourself to a soothing homemade face mask with whole egg mayonnaise from your own refrigerator? Gently spread the mayonnaise over your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then wipe it off and rinse with cool water. Your face will feel clean and smooth. And there you have it, the magic of skincare alchemy at your fingertips. Experiment with these natural ingredients and discover what works best for your skin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your favorite homemade face mask recipes in the comments below. Stay tuned for more beauty adventures here on our channel. Until next time, glow on!